softly painting gray-lit skies. Thunder hums a distant tune, whispered secrets in the room. Clouds drift slow, a lullaby. Wind caresses passing by. Every sound a tender trace, wrapped within this quiet space. Whispers of the rain calling me slow. In the calm, I let it flow. Echoes blend with every beat in the storm. I find my seat. Fingers trace the window pane, counting moments in the rain. Soft and steady time will weave songs the night will softly leave. Whispers of